dirty ass water.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I sculpted some ramen bowls with polymer clay. I feel like polymer clay is so much fun to like sculpt with, and it's like more durable. You're gonna see the process of like how I sculpted all the ingredients and the bowl, and I glassed everything. I'm also gonna do like a video kind of like speaking over the video just to explain the process. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. This is gonna be a lot of fun. So I did like some of the ramen bowls as like pendants, like so you can put them like as charms for anything. And then these ones I did as like magnets. So these you can like stick on anything metallic.
Oh my god, I hate this game. As soon as I move, bro, two of them come
Hi guys. So here in this first clip I tried talking to the camera, but my mic was not working for that one. But here I'm like trying to find the right color clays to work with for the ramen bowls. I feel like once you get the colors that you want, the vision really comes to life. So I chose the blue, and this is like what I'm gonna use for the bowl. Like if you look in the background, like I had already made a ramen bowl, and yeah, so that's the vision that I'm going for. I had a lot of fun making it, and that's what made me want to make like a lot more of them. Yeah, so here I'm just rolling the clay out for the bowls. This way it'll be easier to like shape them. And for the yellow now, I'm making the noodles. So I'm gonna roll those out and make like the swiggles, like for the noodles. I really like how my nails look here. I think I might do this design again.
I don't understand
Yes, I do like hoodies. You see, like I'm wearing a hoodie again. It's cold outside. It's like springtime. So yeah, that's the noodles. I like how cute it looks too. Like a nice, cute, like swiggly noodles. And I made like a lot of the noodles, mainly because like I wanted like something, you know, I wanted it to, what is it, like basically to be able to hold like all the other ingredients, like so the ingredients have like something to sit on, like well. And this now so I mixed like white and like some pink for this one, or no, I actually think this color yeah, no, this color came by itself. This is like a more nudish, like It looks like a mixture of like white and like orange and stuff, like a skin type color. But this is for the roast pork. So like you'll see like in the background, like I have the roast pork in the bowl that I already did, and that's what I'm going for. And I used like this glass surface to roll all my clay on, just because I don't want to get my desk like messy with the clay, and the glass is really easy to clean afterwards. And this, now I'm making the carrots. If you guys are wondering what I'm watching, I think I was watching some clips of like Avatar. Or like some like YouTube stuff. So right now I'm like molding the boiled eggs, like just the whites part, and then I'm gonna add the yellow like afterwards, or like later on. And this was really fun to make too. It's very therapeutic. I got the bunny ear stand on like Shein, I believe. Yeah, it really handy too. Like even when I'm just using my computer, like I have my phone up and the stand is really, really useful. So now I'm doing like the scallions. Where I'm from, we call it like shallots, but these are the scallions. So I rolled it out, and I'm basically just rolling it once from the strip, just to make like a seasoning type design. And the yellows for like the yolks for the eggs. So now I'm doing the bowls with a Sharpie, so this way I can get like the shape like a lot better. This is the bowl. So now I'm putting the noodles in. So the noodles, I want to like it to fill up like most of the space on the bottom, so everything can like fit a lot better. And this is like for like a more seared look on the roast pork. But after you bake it, like everything will look so much better, like put together. And I bake my clay in the oven for like 275 degrees Fahrenheit, and I think I do it for like a little over 30 minutes, sometimes even an hour, depending on like how thick the clay is. for the roast pork part, in some of them I put like 4 or 5 or 6, depending on like how they fit in the bowl. And now I'm fixing like the boiled eggs with the yolk. I actually really like how this turned out. I think it like really looks like like boiled eggs. Not perfect, but still cute. And these are like the scallions now. So I really like how the green like looked with this. And now the carrots. So this now is like the Naruto or fish cake that I'm making. I'm not too sure what they really call it. I just known it as like Naruto or fish cake, but someone correct me, like let me know like what is it really called. And like I put the pink like in the middle. No, so that was the first bowl. This is the second bowl. It's basically the same thing, but I wanted to like add another like quick clip of me making another bowl. But in total I did like 6. Yeah, I did 6 bowls, and so 3 pendants and 3 magnets. It's like 11:36 p.m. right now. I'm usually like an early sleeper, but I wanted to like edit this. Like I was really like interested in making these videos. But yeah, sometimes I sleep early, sometimes I sleep late. But when I do need to sleep, like I just fall asleep. It was crazy. I think I made this video probably around like 12 a.m. too. The boiled eggs look so cute. I hope you guys are liking the video. I had a lot of fun making this. It's very therapeutic, very peaceful. this is the other bowl, really cute. And now you'll see like all the bowls that I did. I really like how they turned out. So they all look different from each other. They won't all look the same. And I also made some gaming controllers, so you'll see that video soon also. Thank you for staying until the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the process. I also have a shop coming soon, so this way you can purchase like any of the clay charms that I made. And yeah, I look forward to making more videos.